Hi. Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So, my name is Teacher Mira. Teacher Mira. So, how about you? Oh, can you please tell me what is your name? Oh, what a beautiful name. Oh, before I forgot, I am from batch 12 evening session. Okay? So, for today, we are about to learn the sounds of letter A to letter J. So, are you ready? So, if you are ready, what are we waiting for? Let's start. So, our first letter is letter A. So, this is the capital letter A and the lowercase a. So, A, it sounds like ah, ah. Look at my mouth. Ah, ah. And our example for letter A is ah, apple. Ah, apple. So, can you say it again? Oh, good job. So, before we move to our next letter, the sound of letter A once again is ah, ah, apple, like that. Ah, ah. Good job. So, our next letter is letter B. Letter B. So, this is the capital letter B and the lowercase b. Okay? B, it sounds like b, b, b. Can you say it again? B, b, b. Good job. So, our example for letter B is b, bags. B, bags. Okay? Can you put it in the b, bags? B, bags. Good job. So, our next letter is letter C. C. Okay. This is the capital letter C and the lowercase c. And letter C, it sounds like the sounds of letter C is k, k. Look, k, k. So our example for letter C is k, k, cat, k, k, cat. Okay? So it's your turn. Can I hear it? Oh, good job. So say it once again. K, k, cap, k, k, cup. Okay? So our next letter is letter D. So this is the capital letter D and the lowercase d. And D, it sounds like d, 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 d. Okay? D. So our example for letter D is dog. D, dog. So D, if you are going to say our example for letter D, it's like this: D, dog, D, dog. Okay. So our fifth letter is letter E. E. So this is the capital letter E and the lowercase e. Okay? So E, it sounds like eh, eh, eh. Okay? So it's your turn. Can I hear it? Oh, good job. So our example for letter E is egg. Egg. Okay? So if we're going to say it, it sounds here it goes like eh, egg, eh, egg. Okay? So our sixth letter is letter F. F. So this is the capital letter F and the lowercase f. So the sixth letter is letter F, and it sounds like so. Our example for letter F is fish. Fish. So it's your turn. Can I hear it? Oh, good job, everyone. Nice. Good job, everyone. Our seventh letter is letter G. So this is the capital letter G and the lowercase g. Okay, guys? So the sounds of letter G is like this. G, G. Hard. It sounds very hard, but it sounds like this. G, G, G. Okay? So can I hear it from you guys? Oh, good job. So the sounds of letter G is G, G, G. Okay? So our example for letter G is we have G, G, gas, G, gas. Okay? So our eighth letter from the alphabet is letter H. H. So this is the letter H. So, and also this is the capital letter H and the lowercase h. Okay? And letter H, it sounds like you for example, you will exhale, or diba, we have a inhale and exhale. It goes like this. Huh. 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 Okay? So our example for letter H is ham. Ham. Okay? So right now I want ham. Ham. Okay? So the ninth letter is letter I. So this is the capital letter I and the lowercase I. Okay? The sounds of letter I is E. E. Okay? Can you say it again, guys? Oh, good job. So our example for letter I is I. Ink. I. ink. Okay? So, before we go to our last letter, the sound of letter I, it goes like E. E. Okay? E. So, if you will notice your face when you sounds the letter I, it look like this E. The letter. If you go into sounds the letter I, it goes like this. Okay? One more time. E. E. Just like ink. Okay? So, our 10th and last letter for today is letter J. J. So, this is the capital letter J and the lowercase j. Okay? The sounds of our 10th letter J. So, this is the capital letter J and the lowercase j. So, the sounds of letter J is J. Look at my mouth. J. J. So, it's your turn, guys. Can I hear it? Oh, nice. So, our example for letter J is J. Jar. J. Jar. So, the sounds of letter J is J. Jar. J. Jar. So, here it goes like, so please take care of the jar. J. Jar. J. Jar. Okay? So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy and learn something from it. I hope so. And thank you, guys. See you. Thank you for listening.